Today's lesson is on page 73. We are going to learn grammar, must have, can't have, might have, could have for deductions in the past. Supozime në të shkuarën. Here we have some examples, and when we use must have, might have, could have, and can't have. First, we start with must have. He must have hidden it under his coat. We use must have when we are almost sure that this happened. Okay, when we say it must have happened. Here we have the next example. He might have, could have gone on holiday. We use might have or could have when we think it's possible that this happened. Okay, only when we think this is possible that this happened. We use the next example is he can't have drowned. Can't have we use when we are almost sure that this didn't happen. So we are almost sure this didn't happen. Okay, now let's repeat the rules. We use must have plus past participle when we are almost sure it's true, it happened. We use might have and or could have plus past participle when we are think it possibly happened, but we are not sure. We use can't have plus past participle when we are almost sure it's not true or it didn't happen. Now let's go to practice. In our books, we have practice number 5. Here we have tick, almost sure it's true. When there is a tick, we use must have plus past participle. When there is an X, almost sure it's not true, we use can't have plus past participle. And there is a question mark, possible but not true, we use could have or might have here. Plus past participle. Okay, here is the exercise. We have here an example with tick. Remember, we use must have. The burglar must have broken a window. The second question sentence is also with a tick. Which one do we use? Remember? Which one do we use with X? Which one do we use with question marks? Okay, you have to do this exercise in your notebook. Write them down and use must have, could have or might have, and can't have. The next exercise is, here we have a puzzle. An interesting puzzle. Here we have some words: boat, bridge, plane, car, clothes, plastic bag, string, Gilsa, river, verbs go, walk, fly, drive, jump, run, tie, me put, swim. Okay, here we have the story, the puzzle. Remember, you have to find out the police is trying to catch this thief here, but there is a river between them. We have to find out why his clothes are not wet, although he passed through the river to get on the other side. Let's listen to the crossing the river. A man escaped from the prison environment in the USA. A helicopter pilot soon spotted him standing on one side of the wide river. The pilot radioed the police. Not long after, the police arrived at the river and noticed that the man was now on the other side. He was still dressed in his prison clothes, which were dry. There was no bridge anywhere inside. He was holding a plastic bag and a piece of string. Here is the string. Here is the plastic bag. There was no sign of a boat, no boat here, or raft. How did he get there? You have to find out how did he get there and post the answer to me. Thank you for today.